In this video, we're going to look at the Alexa features of the NEXTBASE 422GW Series 2 Dashcam using the iOS application and running on an iPhone 6 in this case. The device is already linked together via Bluetooth. You'll see the device listed on my phone here, and there is a separate video I've done about how to actually do that. You can configure the Amazon Alexa integration by two places. One is the first install, and you'll see that in my first install video. I didn't do it at that point because the iOS app wasn't available. Once installed, you get this feature here about Amazon Alexa and to learn more. Before you start, you need to make sure you've got two applications installed on your iPhone, the NEXTBASE app and the Amazon Alexa app. And you need that running and logged into your account ready to go. And then on my NEXTBASE, then we hit Amazon Alexa and we do learn more. And what that wants to do is open your Alexa app. Takes us into the Amazon Alexa app, and here you'll see the NEXTBASE devices listed. Now for some reason it lists two, NEXTBASE 422GW, and the same again with -263B, which I imagine is a unique identifier for the device. But I'm just going to pick the first one there, the NEXTBASE 422GW. You get a bit of a warning screen, say you want to continue or not, terms and conditions linking you back to the Amazon account here, and we're going to click continue. And we're connecting. The device beeped a little bit and setup is done. And we click done there. And I'll just go back to the NEXTBASE app and just see what that says here. And that seems to be. Let's put it into record mode now as if we were in the car. And we're now recording. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 8:01 p.m.
Alexa, play some 80s music.
The station, all 80s, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what's the weather like?
Currently, in Clipston it's 16 degrees Celsius with partly sunny skies. Tonight, you can expect just a few clouds in the sky, with a low of 9 degrees.
So you can see that's working. The device screen's gone blank because I've got the screensaver mode on. It looks like it has to be in record mode. Other thing to note is your phone has to have sound enabled. When I started this out, my phone was on mute, and although Alexa was doing things, I couldn't actually hear it. So with the sound on and Alexa playing, I was able to get the time, I was able to play music, and I was also able to check the weather out. We're going to have a quick go with the home automation now. I've got a number of Philips Hue lights on in my house. I'm just going to see if I can turn one on. Alexa, turn the study light on. And yep, that's turned the light on behind me. So the home automation does seem to be working. And that's great news. On the drive home, you can turn different lights on, lights off, maybe control the heating if you've got automated heating in there. It makes it all a lot easier because you're not having to fiddle with your phone or take your hands off the wheel because of that. That's how you set up the Amazon Alexa integration. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you're enjoying watching these videos.